Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find about these double integrals in here. The first thing we need to graph about this one. So that should be like this. So this one that is about x squared plus 4x plus number 4. This one that is about 2x squared minus x minus number 10. So the next one, we need to find the intersection in here and here. To do about this one, we can see that we have y and y. So we connect this function equals to this function. So I will put this one go to the left. So to x squared minus x squared, we have x squared, negative x, negative 4x, we have negative 5x, negative number 10, negative number 4, we have negative 14. So we need to find the solution of this one, and we got s equals to negative number 2, s equals to positive number 7. So this one that is about negative number 2, this one that is about number 7. And now we can put the bounds in here. So about dy, we can see that the lower that is about this one, and we have 2x squared minus x minus number 10. And the upper of this one that is about this one. About the s, that should be from negative number 2 to number 7. And now we need to find this double integral, the integration of y that is about y squared over number 2. And we put the bounds from 2x squared minus x minus number 10, and we have x squared plus 4x plus number 4. So I will put this one going here and this one going here. And now we need to expand this one, so that should be like this. So that should be like this. And now s squared distribute for this one, and so on. So number 4 with number 2, we have number 6. Now we have number 5 number 4, number 3, and number 2. So we have the formula of this one. So we put number 6 gone here. So we have 6 plus number 1, that is about number 7. Similar for 5, 4, 3, and number 2. And now we have like this. And now we put the number gone here, and this one gone here. So we calculate this one, and we have, and that is the final answer.